Hey, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Let's talk about YouTube Shop, and let's talk about something that personally I think this is my opinion. It's not right. So let's go to YouTube Studio. Let's go to manage your videos, and let's go to monetization. And from here, let's go to shopping. And something that I think is not right is when you connect your shop, there's only 3 options, which I think this is not right. Come on, YouTube, you can do better than that. I mean, we have Shopify, we have Speed Shop, and we have Spring. I mean, there's no Etsy, there's no Amazon, there's no other different shops. I just started actually to make print on demand with Etsy, so I have a merch. I have a first merch which I'm very excited to show you. But how I'm gonna connect my shop if there's no Etsy? So I hope YouTube add this in the future, because this is not good, I think personally, because some people, they don't shop their stores, they're not Shopify, Spring, or Spread Shop or Spade Shop. It's a spread shop. So yeah, where is Etsy? Come on, YouTube, add Etsy, please. So let me know, what do you think? Do you agree with me, or do you think this is better 2.1? Probably YouTube will add that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Let me know, what do you think. Do you use Spotify? No, Spotify. This is a Shopify. Or do you use Spreadshop or Spring? Let me know. And buy my merch. I have a merch. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to buy my merch, I'm gonna link a video how to buy my merch. Please buy my merch. I'll see you in the next video.